Sometimes your friends share with you interesting art devices, and I wanted to share this with you. My buddy Tally was painting with me this weekend, and while he was working on an amazing piece, I kept hearing this sound, and that sound was this right here. This is a makeup brush cleaner. However, it works fantastic for cleaning your acrylic, gouache, or watercolor paint brushes, anything water-based, and Tally swears by it if you like to keep your colors true and your brushes clean. And he generally likes to use it for any colors that are thicker in viscosity or that you mix with mediums that might become thicker or stickier that stay on your paintbrush that aren't easy to get off. Or if you use any particular fluid acrylics or ink dyes or acrylic inks that have really strong pigments, he likes to make sure that the bristles get really clean so that way there's no cross-contamination. Now the brush cleaner is really easy to use. Comes with this little silicone insert with these little nubs and nipples in here that kind of clean the paintbrush as it swirls and turns around. You simply just insert it here. Just add your water up to the line. It's powered via USB, and all you have to do is just hit this button on the front and this thing starts swirling. You take your dirty paintbrush, gingerly place it in there and allow the nipples to go through the bristles and take off all the gunk, grime, or thick or sticky paint that is stuck on your paintbrush. Now, while it's gonna take off all of the paint that's on there, you still may have some residual paint that's sitting on here. So I would recommend having a glass of water, do a little dunk and a swish off to the side, then take your towel and dab and get it clean. And that's exactly what Tally does. But let me show you how well this thing works. It's worth noting, if you do like the brush cleaner, that it doesn't come with an additional block to power the cable. So you'll have to purchase one of these, or you may have one laying around your house. The cable is also somewhat short, so Tally and I recommend getting an additional extended length cable or a female to male connector, so that way you can place this unit anywhere you want in your art studio or within reach or out of reach of your canvas so you don't accidentally spill the water or splatter it anywhere. Now, I'll be the first to admit this is very niche, but Tally swears by it, and if you feel like this would be helpful to you, you can get these on Amazon. They're generally sold between 15 and 20 USD, and I think it's actually kind of cool, but it's just for the niche person out there. There's actually another one that I'm really interested, that I've always wanted to try, that I see tons of Instagram posts about, that's also on Amazon, that I want to try out. That's a brush cleaner. If anybody's ever used it, please let me know in the comments down below. And if you're interested in this brush cleaner, you can do me a favor and use the links down in the video description. While you're down there, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and you might as well just smash that sub button because we do fun art videos here all the time. Now, if you want some really cool things to know about acrylic paints, I recommend you check out Fluid Acrylics and Acrylic Inks, which is over to my side. I'll check you all later. Take care, and of course, peace.